Wow, yes, if you look at my page, maybe on Facebook or TikTok or YouTube channels, I just finished on polynomials, why I treated on sum and the product of polynomial, why I treated on division and multiplication of polynomial, and where I also treated on zeros polynomials. Okay, so there I said the next topic is going to be calculus, so which is what we have right now. Now, under the calculus, we want to look at differentiation and integration. So these are the two things that we need to consider under calculus. So these are the two things that have to do with calculus. Now, before we move to calculus, we have some rules of differentiation. We have some rules in differentiation. We have where something like the number one, maybe if you have if y equals to x n, then we have the y, the what, the s equals to what, bring this power that is going to be nx raised over n minus 1. So under differentiation, you minus the power by what, by minus 1. Then another one is this, if what, if y equals to a raised over sn, then we have the y over what, over the s. What do you do? This is a constant, so we have a raised to power, bring this power down, bring this one that is going to be n s, then we have n minus 1. So these are the rules for what? Differentiation. And what is the other thing that you need to know? We have, what's the other thing you need to know? Notation for differentiation. You need to know the notation for differentiation. Number one, function. We have notation function. We have function notation, function notation, function notation. Are you getting it? So under the function notation, maybe let's say we have f of x equal to what? Equal to x to the power 2. Are you getting it? So by the time you differentiate this one will give you f of x, then we have what? 2x. This is function notation, f of x. Then the other one is what? Leibniz notation. Leibniz notation. Are you getting it? Then under the Leibniz notation, let's say we have y equal to what? Y equal to x squared. Are you getting it? So under this one can be dy over what? Over the s equals to what? 2x. So this is Leibniz notation. Why this one is what? Is function notation. Then what is the other thing that you need to consider? We need to know to consider under the sum and the difference of rules. Sum and the difference of rule. Then another one is what? Another one is product rule. We need to consider the product rule. Then the third one is what? Is a function of a function or chain rule. Are you getting it? Then the last one is what? Is quotient rule. So these are the four things that we need to consider under what? Differentiation. We are going to apply sum and the difference. We are going to apply the quotient rule. We are going to apply the function of a function or chain rule, and we are going to apply what? The product rule. So let's take example 1 under this one. How do we differentiate a particular question like this? Let's say we have example 1. Let's say we have if y equal to 4x squared minus 3x, then differentiate what? Y with respect to what? To x. With respect to x. So how do we differentiate this one? We are given that if y equals to what? 4x squared minus 3x, then differentiate with respect to x. Sometimes this word can be written as what? WRT. It's not all the students that understand this thing, so it can be written as what? WRT. So how do we differentiate this one? We have solution, okay? So we have if y equal to 4x squared minus 3x. So this case now you can use sum and the difference. Are you getting it? Or you use the normal one of the rules that I wrote on the board. So this one now you can use the Leibniz formula. This one is going to give you the y, the what? The x. Now this is the power. Bring down this power to multiply the coefficient. I need to multiply this constant. It's going to be 4 times 2. Then repeat it as what? As x raised to power 2 minus 1. Under differentiation, the power will always reduce by 1. Then we have minus 3s. Then there's 1 on top of this x. So it's going to be 1 minus 1. Is that taken? So this one will give you, multiply this one together, it will give you 8. Then we have s. Then 2 minus 1 is what? Is 1. Then minus 3s. 1 minus 1 is what? Is 0. Okay? So finally we have 8s. Then minus, now 3s cubed. This x raised to power 0. 3s raised to power 0. This s raised to power 0 means 1. So we multiply 3 times 1. What we have 3. So what we have here is what? Is just 3. Therefore, when you differentiate y equals to 4s squared minus 3s, it will give you what? 8s minus 3. So that is how to differentiate that. Thank you.